Do you want to learn how to add a pop-up when somebody clicks an image or a button on your Squarespace website, just like this? And do you want to know how to do it without adding any additional code for creating buttons or anything like that? Well, today I'm going to show you how to exactly do this step by step without all the crazy CSS. Welcome to the High Vibe Biz. I'm Yazi and I help you simplify the tech and systems in your business so you can do the things that you love. All right, guys, let's get into this quick tutorial. So I'm going to teach you step by step on how to create these amazing pop-up buttons or pop-up images on your Squarespace website. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head on over to ConvertKit and you are going to create a form and then you're going to choose modal. Now go ahead and choose any of the forms that you like here. I personally like Charlotte or Popular, but go ahead and choose something that you like. I'm not going to edit any of these forms. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll create a video just to show you how to do that. But today we're just going to use something that ConvertKit already has just because it's so much easier. Next, we're going to edit some of the settings. So if I scroll down here to the bottom, if I click this cog first on the right hand side and then I scroll down to the bottom, it gives me a couple of display options. There's exit intent, scroll percentage, or timing. If I edit the timing to be 9,999 seconds, that's basically saying wait 9,999 seconds until you show this pop-up to somebody. And this is perfect for click modal because it's likely that no one's actually going to be on your page that long. If they are, whoa, they get a pop-up. So next we're going to do is we're going to copy this trigger and I'm going to also hit save. Next, I'm going to open up a text form or text file. If you have a Mac, I just did a quick search and I looked for text edit, which is the program. And now I'm going to paste this code in there and hold on to this. You're going to need it for later. So I'm just going to move this down. And next I'm going to get the embed button and I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to create a new page. And I'm, just going to call this landing page. And you can call it whatever you want. Next, I'm going to click edit. And because I'm actually not going to have this page live on my site, I'm going to hide it from SEO. Next, I'm going to add page content. And I'm just going to add a blank page. So first I'm going to show you how to do this with the image and then I'm going to show you how to do this with a button. So I actually already have an image that I want to use that I've already pre-imported and I'm going to hit apply. So obviously this is really big and I just want to show you a small image. I'm going to move this text over. So now you can actually see the image. Awesome. All right. And now I'm also going to add a code block and I'm going to paste that code that we've copied over from ConvertKit that I have to embed. Perfect. Now I'm going to reopen this text. And I know this looks really small, so I will. So now you have this code. So what we're going to do first is we're going to copy sections of this code just to rearrange it. So first I'm going to copy everything. So href. So this is basically calling the link over. So I'm going to copy everything after the quotation mark. And then I'm going to copy everything, including the last quotation mark. So I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to hit paste. Next, I'm going to copy everything from data-format, formkit-toggle equals quotation mark and then that number. And then I'm going to hit paste. You can notice that I didn't copy that last quotation and there's a reason for that. So now this is your new code. this is what you're going to use. So you don't have to create any CSS or any CSS button. This is so easy. I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to edit the image. I'm going to go to design, and I'm going to add a click-through. So with this one, because I already have a call to action within the image, I'm not going to add a button, but if you were to add a button, this would work exactly the same. So you can see that I pasted that code. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to hit save. So now I'm going to enlarge this to view it. And when I click on this image, you can see that the pop-up modal form shows up. How easy was that? It was so simple. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for the button. So I'm going to edit this page again. I'm going to add a button. And then I'm going to paste that same URL and hit apply and hit save. So now I should be able to click this, and looky there. Another form reappears. Now, I'm going to show you one last trick. What I love is that ConvertKit has done, I think in the last year from me shooting this, they've added unique codes for every single form that you create. So now you can add multiple pop-ups to one page. So if I go back to ConvertKit, and I'm going to copy, actually I already have a code. So I'm just going to copy the code from something that I've already created. So this is code that I've already, from another form that I've already created. Discard change. And essentially I did the same thing. I created a new form, edited all the information, and then I went over and created the new link code, and then I'm going to click edit and design, and I'm going to paste the new code. So now I should have two different forms pulling in, but I actually have to add the embed code. So let me get the embed code really quick. And again, the embed code is what you get from the top of the form. So let me get this embed code quickly. And I'm going to add it to the existing code block that we already created. So these are two different codes that are calling. Hit save. So now the image is going to call a different pop-up, and the button is going to call the original pop-up. So I'm just going to enlarge this, and when I click the button, that's the one that we created today. And when I click the image, that's one I've created previously that is already existing on my website. So you can add as many click modal forms as you want to a single page using this method. If you found this helpful, and if you end up using it, please leave me a comment down below, or else if you want to get more amazing simple tips for your business that allows you to focus more time doing the things that you love, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, guys.